Supplier adjustments. Sometimes you need to adjust your supplier balances. There are several reasons why a business might adjust the balance on a supplier's account. Due to user errors, returns of credit, price changes, or sometimes due to audit entries, you need to adjust your supplier balances. For that, you can enter supplier adjustments. From supplier adjustments, you can increase or decrease your supplier balances. You can adjust your supplier balances from suppliers, transactions, supplier adjustments. Click Add Supplier Adjustment. You can select the supplier. You can view supply balance. If you want to increase supply balance, you can select increase, or if you want to decrease your supply balances, you can select decrease from the effect drop down menu. You can select tax type, and you can select by affecting account. So when you adjust the supplier balances, the other entry will pass to this by affecting account. This is document number, system generated document number. You can enter reference for that supply adjustment. You can enter the amount. You can enter description. And you can select the date. After that, you can process this transaction. Now we have increased our supplier balance. You can decrease your supplier balance by selecting decrease option. Now when you select decrease, you can view unpaid invoices. From this, you can allocate this supplier adjustment to this unpaid invoices. After that, you can process this transaction. After enter transactions, you can view list of supplier adjustments. Decrease amounts you can view in with minus sign, and you can view increase transaction. Now if you want to adjust supplier balances by one supplier, you can use this add supplier adjustment. And if you want to change supplier balances more than one supplier at a time, you can use this quick entry grid. By selecting quick entry grid, you can add more suppliers at once. You can enter the date, select effect, and from here supplier, you can select supplier. You can enter reference, description, amount, by affecting account, and You can select suppliers. Like this. From quick integrate, you can select more than one supplier at a time. And if you want to add more suppliers, supplier adjustments, by clicking this plus mark, you can add. And if you want to remove any line, you can delete from by clicking this red color button. Furthermore, if you want to allocate to analysis code, you can use analysis code from this drop down menu, and you can allocate that transaction to analysis codes. After that, you can process this supplier adjustment. If you have blank lines, you need to delete those lines. You can view your supplier adjustment. If you want to adjust again, or if you want to edit that transaction, by clicking this actions button, you can edit the transaction. And from here you can search transactions. You can filter transactions. You can sort by multi-columns. You can export to CSV file, and from settings you can add or remove columns to this grid. By checking these columns you can add, and if you want to remove any column you can uncheck that column. And you can sort by this grid by clicking these headings. You can sort by ascending or descending order. Like that, you can adjust your supplier balances.